Hello friends and hello fellow vintage lovers. Welcome to another haul video. These items, yet again, are still items from the Highway 80 sale. It's crazy, right? I haven't sourced anything else, and hopefully you guys will see maybe a shop with me coming this week. I might try to hit my favorite antique mall in the area. We'll see if that happens. Hopefully it will. I have missed you guys. I do apologize. There's been a lack of videos lately, but I want to thank everyone who has become a member of my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. I do want to let you know I'm going through some ideas, kind of brainstorming on extra content for those of you that have become members. So stay tuned for more information on that. But in the meantime, let me show you another haul. I do want to say that some of these items, well, the jewelry items, will most likely be in my Monday jewelry sale. And this video will probably come out on Tuesday. So some of these items may have sold, but you can always go back and check the Buy It Now jewelry claim video. Those go live at 7 Eastern, 6 Central. Or you can always send me an email or leave a comment on the video to see if the jewelry is still available. Okay, guys, I'm going to kind of sort of try to go fast. I've been trying to perfect the art of going fast. It's a little bit hard to do, but yeah, here we go. I'm going to start over here. Now, this is a Precious Moments piece. It is a larger figurine. She is from 1991. She is called Joy to the World. I can't remember what exactly it says there on the bottom. I just thought she was cute. This is the only time I have picked up Precious Moments. It's not really my jam, but there was something about this angel that I thought was just absolutely precious. I love her so much. She's so cute, and she is in wonderful condition. So let me put her down. Then next to that is this little covered dish, sugar dish. They did not have the creamer, but I thought it was really pretty. I love the marigold, especially for Halloween. I do wish I had been able to show you guys some of these pieces before Halloween, because this little sugar dish would have looked great with this Indiana glass diamond point piece. This is black. This is not amethyst. It is missing the lid. I do pick these up without the lid because they're so great for everything. And I love black glass. This piece is just beautiful. It's in wonderful condition. Then I just kind of have this draped over it. This is a vintage necklace. You have this wonderful lion crest with a fleur-de-lis there. This is a large pendant. I love it. Look at the chain, y'all. This amazing double link long chain. Very unisex. I think anybody could wear this. I keep saying this, guys. Big gold pieces are super in right now. All you got to do is check out TikTok influencers and places like that to see how popular the big chunky gold is. It's crazy. Okay, then I picked up this beautiful mesh purse. It, of course, is reminiscent of Whiting and Davis. And it is a beautiful piece. It does have a vintage tag on the inside. Let me see if I can get to it without knocking everything over. This is going to be hard. This is in pretty good condition too, guys. I do want to mention that. There is the tag in there. I can't remember what it said. Violetta, I think? Let's see. Jotta, J-O-T-T-A. Haven't looked this up. I just thought it was beautiful. The condition on it is wonderful, so I had to get that. Back here is this kind of smoky gray colored piece. This is Brody glass. It's this pretty little pedestal, planter, dish, whatever you want to call it. I have not picked up one of these in the smoky gray color before. I absolutely love it. You've got kind of the thumbprint design. I think that's what it's called on those as well. Back here, I think these are Anchor Hawking. I will double check that. These are amazing. These are from the 70s. These great avocado green goblets. These are wonderful. I love these so much. If only I had room to keep them, I most definitely would. This is Indiana glass, so this is a single creamer. It is carnival glass, as you can see in this beautiful green. This is the harvest pattern. There's so many things you can do with these guides. You can use them as a base for an assemblage. You can stick whatever you want in there. Frozen Charlotte, right, Sabrina? Wonderful. And it'd be beautiful to have out for Christmas. Put a little bottle brush tree. That was a tongue twister in that. Now this is a souvenir piece. I don't believe it's Native American made, but it talks about all the symbols and what they mean in Native American culture. What does this say? Authentic Indian symbols. I just thought it was kind of cool. You've got kind of like this double bird here. I think this is the thunderbird. It doesn't look like what I would normally think a thunderbird is, I don't think. But yeah, I picked that up. It's in great shape. I want to mention too, none of these pieces have any damage, which is super cool. I picked up this little metal creamer. I think it's stainless. Again, something wonderful that you could use as the base for an assemblage. Just really cute. You can put your little Santa in there. You can do whatever you want. Then back here, this is incredible. This is an Italian decanter. Who remembers these? It is in wonderful condition. It does still have an old Made in Italy sticker there. It is wonderful. These are so good if you collect mid-century glass. Just incredible. Then here, this is a single Tierra Indiana glass candle holder. This is a beautiful blue. It matches these, which I'll show you here in just a second. Absolutely gorgeous. I want to say that this glowed. Yeah, look at the glow in that, y'all. I think it's showing. I think it is. It looks like it is. I don't think anything else glowed. I'm just kind of running it over there. No. Anyway, beautiful blue, beautiful piece. Just so classic. You can use that in any kind of decor. Then these. So these are blown glass. They're Italian. And they are these beautiful little brandy snifter. I don't know what exactly they are for. I don't know. You could drink whatever you want. Little cordials maybe. So they all have little pontil marks. There's something interesting I wanted to show you guys. Of course, it's going to be the last one I pick up. None of these have any damage, but one of them has a little bit of amber colored glass in the bottom. Look at this little swirl. At first I thought, oh my gosh, these are really dirty, but no, this is in the glass. So I thought that was really interesting. There are 4 of these and they are beautiful. Okay, starting with some of the jewelry. This is a gorgeous howlite pendant. I'm going to zoom in on these. And again, guys, just so you know, these will be in my recorded jewelry sale. So if you're interested, definitely reach out and I'll let you know if they're still available. So there's that. This is phenomenal. So I have tried to research this. I haven't quite found the maker yet. Look at this gorgeous lucite pendant or brooch. Oh my gosh, it's a brooch. It has this little reflective mirrored effect on the back there, on back of the lucite cabochons on back. Oh my gosh, y'all. I need more coffee. I'm filming this on Monday morning. We have tornadic weather coming. The past few days have just been crazy. So this is a great find. It is a beautiful piece and could possibly have a lot of value once I keep researching it. Then I couldn't resist this enamel toucan. He's got a blue rhinestone eye. I don't think he was marked, but he's a wonderful vintage piece. I love him. He's so cute. Then I picked this up. Now this is a gift for a friend of mine who collects these. I don't think I've ever picked one up in this good of condition. She's perfect. Look at the feather is great. All of her makeup is great. The glitter is good there. Here is the back. She's phenomenal. Okay, this bracelet is Emmons, which is highly sought after if you are a vintage jewelry collector or reseller. The only issue with it, and it is marked Emmons. Now, I don't know. There we go. glad it showed. The only issue with this is it had a safety chain. Do you see that right there? And the safety chain is no longer with it. But that is the only problem with it. It is beautiful. Kind of these citrine color rhinestones. I think this would be gorgeous to wear for Thanksgiving or any fall events. Then I picked up some Murano pieces. So this is a stretch Murano glass bracelet. This is absolutely beautiful. And I'm so sorry, guys. I'm losing the light. We do have major storms hitting the area today. So it's pretty dark outside. And it's just not focusing. Okay, what's going on here? Let me put it down. There we go. Looks much better when I put it down. I hear Loretta starting to say hi. So you've got some Millefiori in this. Just gorgeous bracelet. And it is brand new. It's got a wonderful stretch. Then I have this. Oh my gosh. This set is beautiful. This is Murano as well. I'll be right back, guys. I got to see what she needs. Probably just attention. For those of you that don't know, I say this every time so no one thinks we're torturing dogs here. Loretta is our dachshund rescue, and we've had her for over 1.5 years now. She does that when she wants attention. As soon as I came in there, she stopped. She is just sitting there with the other dogs, being Loretta. So this beautiful, beautiful piece, it is Murano. As you can see here, it is this beautiful set. It's this gold and black dichroic glass. It comes with matching pierced earrings, and it does say Murano in these as well, I do believe. What does that say? Oh, does that say 14 karat? Well, 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 we're going to check that out a little bit better. But that is such a pretty set, guys. I love it. I love gold and black. I always have. It's just so classic, so beautiful. Then I picked this up. Now, this is modern. I just had to get this little kitty on a moon. It's super cute. She's like a little jelly belly, adorable with her little tail hanging off. Then this is absolutely stunning. I haven't tested this with the Presidium yet, but I am going to, because those look like they could be peridot. I have to check this out better. It could just be glass, but is this not beautiful? It's very well made. You know, the feel of it, the weight of it is just great. Then back here is this amazing Asian dragon. I love this with the white enameling. So cool. I don't think this one was marked. Is it marked? I don't think so. The condition on that is great too. Then this is phenomenal. So this is a Native American piece. As you can see, you have this beautiful abalone butterfly pendant. Then you have chunks of coral with these birds. So it's kind of like a fetish necklace. I haven't quite seen one like this. This is definitely an older piece. It does have a barrel clasp here. This is just absolutely beautiful, and I love it. Stunning. Okay, then over here, I think these are modern, but I thought they were beautiful. Look at the AB in these earrings, and look at these beautiful red and pink roses. Just gorgeous. Are you marked? I don't remember. I don't think so. But are these not beautiful, guys? Stunning. Okay, then here is a beautiful thermoset necklace. Look at this. It is so cool. I don't think this glowed. I'm going to go over all of these jewelry pieces again in just a second. This one is not marked. It's got a little bit of wear on the chain, but the thermoset and rhinestones are in perfect condition. So there is that. Probably about 8 inches, just to let you know. Let me move that away. Then this is all acrylic. This glows like crazy. I thought this would be wonderful for fall. Hopefully you're seeing some of that glow there. I think you are. What a cool piece. The acrylic is faceted, so it does have a nice little sparkle to it. Super, super cool. I don't think the thermoset glowed. It does not. Does anything else glow? You got a little bit of glow there on the loose side, of course. But yeah, so let me know what your favorite piece is. I know some of you come for jewelry, some of you come for the hard goods, some of you come for everything. So I'm just curious, what is your favorite item? Okay, guys, so our schedule as in me and Simon Says Let's Make a Deal, our live sale schedule is a little bit different this week. We will not be having a Tuesday late night sale. That will be on Thursday at 10 Eastern, 9 Central Standard Time on Sabrina's channel, Simon Says Let's Make a Deal. We will also be having our normal Wednesday sale. That is also on her channel at 6 Eastern, 5 Central. I always do link those on my community page, so you can always go there and make sure you have the link to the sale, because we'd love to see you guys there. Even if you're just watching, we appreciate all of your support. Then on Saturday, I will of course be having the sale on my channel with Sabrina. That is at noon Eastern, 11 Central. So guys, I hope to see you then. I did mention at my live on Saturday, I have gotten a little bit behind on invoicing. I had some personal things I had to deal with for several days last week, so I'm a little bit behind. This video will come out on Tuesday. If you are still waiting for an invoice on Tuesday, you can definitely reach out to me. I will have all of them done by Tuesday, and I appreciate you guys so very much. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you at the sales this week. And don't forget to tell me what your favorite item is. Bye guys, take care.